Hey, Tom Blanchard here with another episode of Thursdays with Tom, where I provide you with some helpful nuggets to keep those juices flowing and put more money in your pocket. So today we're on episode 8 of our Ninja Nugget series, the power of Ford, right? Look, last week we talked about Ford questions. A quick refresher, Ford questions are questions that you ask the client about their family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. Simple stuff. So why are questions about family and friends and occupation, recreation, and dreams so simple, yet so powerful? Look, the Ford questions represent people's core values. Is there anything more important to someone than family and friends, their career, what brings them joy, their hopes and dreams? I don't think so. When you ask about these 4 areas, you are touching their life and making an immediate personal connection. You're building that relationship with them. Learn to focus on your clients first, especially on what is motivating them in their 4 core values. Too many agents go directly to properties, the floor plan, bedroom, bathrooms, price, or condition. The bricks and sticks are important, but not as important as the people. Focus on them. You can use the Ford questions in 3 ways, right? You can help build rapport. Very important. Ford questions are a great way to build rapport, especially when meeting someone for the first time. You worry about what to ask. Prospecting, holy mackerel. Look, as you have learned, if you're skilled at listening, you will discover pain and pleasure that will probably lead to a need for your services. This is a much more effective way to discover business than blatantly asking, who do you know that wants to buy or sell a house? You're asking for a check. Come on. Work on attracting friends and customers towards you instead of pushing them away, right? Be attracting. Now, negotiating. Another important part. There are 5 primary negotiating points in a real estate contract. You heard me, 5, right? Price, important. Terms, important. Date, closing, and possession, right? Important. Inclusions and exclusions. Are they leaving the washer dryer? Are they not leaving the washer dryer? And then contingencies. That's it. Most agents, as well as buyers and sellers, tend to focus on one negotiating point. What do you think that is? Price, right? However, great negotiators understand there are 5 factors to be considered during negotiations. It's not just about price. If you've negotiated on all 5 points and are still stuck, put the contract aside and focus on the Ford questions. Get to know what the pain and pleasure points. Often buyers and sellers get so caught up in the game of negotiation that they lose focus on their priorities and why they are in the transaction in the first place. Bring it back home to them. Help bring the client back to what is truly important to them. By using Ford, you can help them get back to their core values and the reason for buying or selling. Let me leave you with this thought. Great agents realize that we don't just sell real estate. Your true purpose is to help people get more out of life. More out of life, right? That's all we have for this week's Ninja Nuggets. Look, next week we'll go over what will people pay for. So I hope to see you then. Interesting subject, right? All right, talk to you soon. That's it for me. Bye.